Why did your mic just cut out? I'm scared of what he saw. I'm scared of what he has gotten. I'm loading in, bro. I want to know what it is. I wish it would hurry up and load. What is it? Yes, I know. Oh, I'm loading in, bro. I'm about to see what it is. Wait, what is it, Mitchell? Okay. Dude, I'm scared. I have a. Bro, what? No. I mean, yes, I've seen it, but what am I looking for, bro? Like, what am I supposed to see that you have found that is so great? Where's what? Ah! No. Oh, I don't see. Oh, dude, that thing is huge. Dude, oh my god. Go to sleep? Alright, well, I'm going over here on this island. I'm gonna see what I can find. God, I haven't played this game in like a week, bro. I'm trying to. Oh my god, what is that? Dude, what is this? Oh. Hey, come here, little boy. I'm coming to get them cheeks, Mr. Llama. It's okay. How do you make a shear? Oh my god. Conjunction, junction. Actually, I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Yeah. Dude, why is he eating the... Oh my god. Just go to sleep. Who cares? Daytime, let's go find that llama and eat its cheeks. If you know what I'm saying. I said a llama, let's go eat its cheeks. If you know what I'm saying. It'd be like that sometimes. But that... Dude, yeah, holy crap, where did you find this? Ain't this like when right when I got off, you were like, I'm gonna record. Oh, wait. Oh, guys, what is this? What is this? I'm over here, bro. There's a huge boar. Look, I'm above you, you idiot. Come over here, because that thing might attack us. Dude, look at that thing. Come here, little boy. I'm coming for them cheeks. Yeah, warthog. Go poke him with the stick. I'm staying up here. Here, Jacob. Jacob, you go down there, and I'll run from it, and we'll run past him. I don't have any ammo for it, you dingo. Run. Run from him. Nah, he's going to charge at Jacob. That's why I run past them. Well, just run past him, and if you see something to explore, we'll go to it. No, I'm way over here. I'm over here on the other side of the island. Oh my god, the boar's running after me. No, he's running after me. I know. Hey, look, I found a cave with a door entrance. Oh. Yeah, I found a crate. It literally didn't give me anything but a recipe. Uh, uh. I picked the crate up. No, it was just a crate with stuff in it like we find on a, one of those little rafts. Yeah. Bro, Jacob, come down here and, distract this warthog so I can get past. Should I just try to fight this thing? Ah! It's coming after me again. I'm gonna get up on this mountain where he can't get me. Yeah, where you guys at? I'm over here. That's, yeah. Wait till we all get over there. Yeah. Yeah. I'm running. How did y'all get up? That's not working. Now it's working. Jeez, that's so broken. You can just like literally hop up the mountain away from anything. I'm right here. Oh. Mitchell, wait on me. Are you sure that there's something over here? About the store? Oh. Oh, no. No. Yeah, I'm gonna kill that stupid bird with this big spear. Oh, bird, bird. Oh, wow. He just killed me, almost. No, not really. But there's nothing over here. Maybe if we kill... Yeah, maybe if we just kill the bird. Hey, what's this over here? I found something. Poke it. Yeah, it didn't do nothing. Got it. Boy said, yeah, yeet. Oh, dude, you jumped on that rock and it looked like, I don't know what it was. I was like, what was that? I'm about to just yeet myself out the side of this. Good idea. I have another one here. I have two, and they're both metal. Where you at? Where are you at? Oh, here, come here, little boy. Eh. Hey, there's a bird's nest. Right down here. Two of them. Oh, I'm gonna go down there and take his kids, if you know what I mean. Oh, it's not a bird's nest. Never mind. Oh, whoa, come down here, come down here. There's mushrooms. Ah! Boar, boar. That's a big boar. I don't know, I dropped down in there where I thought the hole was. I'm behind you, Mitchell. We need a shovel. Anybody got the stuff to make a... Anybody have a metal ingot? I have everything but a metal ingot. Let me have it. Let me get one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, I can dig. It gave me dirt. Just kill him. Just kill him. Oh my gosh. Why does he have a... Just poke him, bro. Eh. I'm picking him up, yeah. I got an achievement for killing him. It gave me one raw meat and one leather. Yeah, now I can build some clothes. Alright, let me... Y'all see any more dirt piles? So I can dig them up now. Yeah, I do too. Wait, who has the warthog head? Let me have it. Cause you never want to wear it. You like the shark one. You're like, this one's annoying. Let me have it, dude. Bro, let me get that. Bro, I'll give you a kiss if you give it to me. Come here right now. I'll give you a kiss. You let me have it. Well, I'm about to... No. I have mushrooms. I'm about to eat it. Okay, didn't do nothing. It's just giving me more health. Hey, Jake, warthog, so I can, you know. I said, help me kill another warthog. And he keeps getting rocks. I'm going to kill another warthog. I won't. Maybe. Oh. I'm trying to get a warthog head, bro. Bring me them cheeks. Bring me them cheeks. Yeah, you missed, boy. Fat boy. Fat boy. Oh, he got me again. Crap, he's running with me. Oh, he's running with me again. Bring me them cheeks, warthog man. Oh, crap, he got me again. Put me down, put me down. Oh, I killed him. I got a warthog head, boys. And 5 leather. They call me Warthog Man. I'm on my way, boys. That stupid bird. No, you don't need feathers to make arrows, do you? Oh, my bad. That's very true. There should be a ton of feathers in there. I put like 30 feathers. I think. Maybe not. Yeah, I'll shoot at him. I got that bow on me. I keep that strap on me, you know what I'm saying? Do it. True. Yeah, I don't make the metal ones. That's too much. Oh yeah, remember earlier when I destroyed my cup by accident? I'm pretty sure I clicked Q by accident and like yeeted it into the ground or the water. What is this? Biofuel? I'm sorry, Mitchie. Hey, it's coming back. Yeah, I dug some of them. All it gave me was dirt. Stupid shovel. Should be. Just let me have the arrow so I can kill the stupid bird. A lot. He'd give them to him. Oh. Let me cop them. Yeah. Let's go kill this stupid bird now. Hey, should I kill this llama? It's in the chest. I don't have. Oh wait, no, I have it. All right, boys. I got that strap on me. I'm finna go kill a bird. Oh great, it's about to rain while I'm trying to kill a bird, bro. It's gonna make it hard to see, probably. Yeah, it's hard to find. They're on the side of cliffs, and they'll be shining. You'll know when you see them. Trust me. Yeah, but it just lasts a lot longer. Bro, am I the only one trying to kill the bird? True. I don't have a headlamp either. It's in the thing. I know. I'm hunting a bird and I can't find it. Oh, it's around me. I'm just gonna get up on the highest cliff I can and shoot it at that hoe. What do you mean? Oh crap, he hit me. What do you mean gassed to death? Okay, I've never had that happen. I hit the bird with an arrow. Oh my god, don't say that. Bird boy, I'm coming from those cheeks. Yeah, of course he has. Jeez, dude, this bird is hard to kill. He's being a little hoe. Oh my god. Dude, where'd the stupid bird go? I hope he misses. No. I've hit him 2 or 3 times, but he's, kind of hard to hit because he, flies. And he keeps hitting me with stones. And now I can't find. There he is. Yeah, bro, Burns is getting me stoned AF right now. Yeah, I planned on killing the llama just to see what it gave me. Probably attack. Yeah, get trick shotted. I just 360 no scoped the bird, guys. No, I 360 no scoped him. Okay, guys, I did not 360 no scope the bird. Oh, fast. Nah, not really. Whoa. That bird about hit me with the strap. Yeah, bro. Come on, birdie. Yeah, he thought he was finna hit me. He thought he was. Ah! Oh, he hit me with it again. Guys, I kind of lost the bird. What is that noise? Ah! Okay, I found him. Ah. Dude, this bird is so hard to hit. He keeps running away from me. We need more than one person with bows. Why don't y'all just build one? I have one piece of vodka. It's not like we can't get more. Dude, I'm literally, this entire gameplay video is just gonna be me trying to kill this stupid bird. Oh, I killed him! I killed him! I hope he gives me a freaking mask. He better. Stupid bird. Get wrecked. I just dabbed and I feel kind of bad that I just dabbed on him. Oh, dude, he gave me a head. Let's go. Alright, let's see what this stupid head looks like. Where'd the head go? Yeah, you can. Oh, the stupid. Oh, dude, you can see a freaking beak on the end of the bird head. This is awesome. Oops, I just dropped a warthog head. I'm gonna get so much. Probably not. Dude, I'm gonna get so many girls with this thing on my head. Whoops. I hit the llama twice. I hit the llama twice. 3 times. Dude, the llama ran away. Now we didn't even play without you. I'm pretty sure you made it like right after we found it. Stupid llama, bro. He keeps running away. Nah, I'm hitting him with the bow. Hitting him with that glizzy. What do you think we're working on, Jacob? I'm out of I'm out of arrows. I'm out of arrows. Come here, you stupid thing. Dude, I keep missing him. He's too fast. No, don't give us a spoiler. We don't like spoilers. Oh, I killed him. Dude, you can't even search the llama. I used like 15 arrows on him for no reason. I need some shears. Bro, I'm coming over to get them cheeks. Come here, boy. Mitchell, you want a warthog head? I'm a bird, leader of the warthogs. Here, yeet. Yeah, bro, put that warthog head on. You look kind of cute, bro. Come here, let me get them cheeks. Oh my god. The bird head does, unfortunately. Nah, bro, I like the bird head. It doesn't cover that much. Jacob, you want to wear the bird head? You want? Yeah, kinda. I'll let you try the bird head as long as you promise to give it back. What'd you say? Okay. Dude, better not take my chicken bones, bro. I'm just kidding. I'm full health. You can take them. Here, Jacob. Make all that stuff. Thank you. Yeah, I'm in charge of killing stuff, apparently. I got a bunch of berries. I'm about to eat them. I have a vine goo, too. Over here on the back of the boat, yeah. Put it right here. Put it right here, Mitchell. Oh, there you are. Buy it. Yeah, I know, but is there enough room for it? Then go for it. Go for it. Oh my gosh. Change direction? Good lord. Oh. I did. I was looking at something. I don't know. Yeah, do that. Probably so. What time are we at, Mitchell? I'll check. Dude, spit on it, Papa. It burns. 25. I need some wool. What does it take to make some shears? We don't have a metal. Did we have a metal ingot and hinge and 2 scrap? I want to shear one of those llamas. What was that noise? Yeet. Well, I would turned it on, and then someone else turned it off, so I didn't know if I had to, like, I don't know. Oh, that makes this goes forward and backwards. And then the steering wheel makes us go left and right. Where's the steering wheel even at? God, why is it? I think our, I think we're stuck on the island. No, I think we're stuck on the island. Oh my God, we are so dumb, bro. Jesus, yeah it does. Whoa. I want to turn it. Back. I'm gonna turn it. I'm the Eagle King. Where's the oh, there it is. That's a cool wheel, bro. Don't. Huh. I wish I could throw a spear, bro. I'd hit you in the head with it. Hey, there's a hinge. Do we have a metal ingot? I need one. Yeah. You can't like halfway pull it up. We might not have. That's what I started thinking about. I was like, do we even need that? Probably just not doing it right. Look at my hand, Jacob. He's coming for you. Yeah, I gotta stick the warhog head in this head. That sounded really weird. Yeah. Let me have it back though. Thanks, princess. That might work. You never know. Maybe you had it facing the wrong way? That's... Oh. Hey, whoa, bro. Yeah, we're moving. I just killed the bird. Hey. Hey, eat this raw chicken. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Here, take it. Yeet. Yeet. I gotta go do something. I'm trying to clear my inventory out. I have so much crap. Yeah, I do too. I'm gonna eat this raw beet just to get out of it. Wait, hold on. Someone took my beet. I'm gonna eat this beet. Yeah, we do have a lot of food. Maybe we should stop fishing and start consuming some of it. Mitchell. Hey, come here. Come here. That goes back. Jacob, look. Spare coochie, ma'am. Yeah, spare coochie, bro. Yeet. Oh my god, there's my coochie. I'm the captain of the... Let me drive the boat. Let me... Whoops. Let me drive the boat. I'm on it. Let me drive the boat. I don't know my... Okay. Right there? What's straight? This white thing? Okay, where the wild things are? I'm not up there, but hold on, I'm going. To the right more? Well, we have a ton of goos. Or ooze. I don't know how to make it better. Yeah, let me cut... Why? Oh, yeah, unless that's on you can't go there. I forgot. Okay. Well, whenever... Tell me when that dies and I'll just drop this hoe. Oh, yeah, well, I know we're moving now. You think so? Yeah, maybe it stays. I don't know. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Burn. Alright, what time are we at? Yeah, we're not going to that crap. Well, let's cut it off, boys. Whoops. Well, guys, that's the end of episode... What episode is this? 10? Oh, yeah, well, that's the end of episode 10. Tune back for episode 11.